Hey everybody, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha, and I'm here to talk to you about an elote grilled corn salad. It's like elote street corn, only much easier and less messy to eat. This is a great summertime salad that's going to go perfect with any of your barbecue dishes, and all of this wonderful fresh spring produce ready to go into this elote corn salad. So let's get her started. Very first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this big beautiful OXO bowl and we're going to put the corn in here. And we're going to just rub the corn with a little bit of olive oil, all right? And now we are going to sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, and we're just going to get all of that olive oil and salt mixed over the corn. And now the corn is going to hit the grill. I'm going to take these jalapeno peppers, pop out the seeds. Now I'm going to take these jalapenos and just put them in the bowl. We're going to grill all of this up and then turn it into this salad. All right, so I've got the corn ready to go. I've got the jalapeno peppers ready to go. Let's go outside and fire up the grill. All right, now that the corn is roasting with the jalapeno peppers, we're gonna go ahead and make the dressing. Have this sitting to the side, so once the corn and the jalapenos off the hot grill, we'll be able to get this going. Very first thing I wanna do is I'm gonna get 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're gonna put mayonnaise, just like you rub all over that street corn. I'm gonna measure out 2 tablespoons of this mayonnaise. Now we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of the sour cream. We're gonna take 1/4 of this wheel of cotija cheese. I always mispronounce that, forgive me. We're gonna crumble it up and we're gonna add this to the dressing. Next thing up, I'm gonna measure out 1/2 cup of chopped green onions. I already took the green parts off the green onions, so we're gonna just chop these up and measure out 1/2 cup. Put this in with the rest of the dressing. Now we're gonna do the same thing with some fresh cilantro leaves. Add that right in with the dressing. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to grate some fresh garlic and put it right in here. Final thing we do for this dressing is we're gonna squeeze the juice of 1 lime in there. A great little trick for you is to press down on a lime so you pre-juice it. Quick slice. Put this right over here. Now we're gonna put this all together. We're gonna stir it. Look at that. That looks so tasty. All right, and then we want a little bit of salt and pepper. So I'm gonna put a pinch of salt, maybe 1/2 teaspoon, and then 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix that in. All right, everybody. We've got these ears of corn that just came off the grill. They're beautifully colored. Nice char on them. It's gonna leave such a great flavor in this salad. Now I'm gonna use this really cool OXO corn shucker. Let's see how this thing works. Oh my. I mean, I don't want my knife skills to get stale, but this thing is pretty solid. It's a great tool to have in the kitchen. So we've got all that corn shucked. I'm gonna mix that in with the dressing, mix it around. Look at how beautiful that is. Now the last thing we have to do is slice up these jalapenos. I'm just gonna dice them up. Nice roasted jalapenos. Now we got all those jalapenos diced. Put the roasted jalapenos in with the corn and the dressing. All right, so we've got the jalapenos in the bowl. We're gonna mix this in thoroughly. I present to you the Barbecue Buddha's Elote corn salad. Now, before we serve it, I like to put a little chili powder on top of it, just like you see on the street corn. Give it a nice little color. Let's go ahead and get a taste of this before it's too late. All right, people. So, we made elote corn salad. Let's go ahead and give this a taste and see what it's like. Ready? We made a grilled elote corn salad. It's delicious. It's the citrus from the lime, the garlic, a little bit of that chili powder, the roasted corn, the grilled jalapeno, the mayonnaise, the sour cream. This is a delicious salad. It's going to be perfect for your next backyard grilling session as a side dish. If you like what you saw this week, please leave a comment down below and subscribe right here. And until we eat again, cook something great for me. See you later, everybody.